So in this video, I will be explaining a parts of angles model. Parts of angles model is nothing but we are going to define what are the parts available in a given angle. In a given angle, we have angle itself and we have arm and vertex. Now we will try to understand what is all about angle. Angle is nothing but we are clearly defined here. An angle is an amount of turn between each arm. Now, there are two arms we have. What is the percentage of turn which is there from this arm to this arm? We call it as an angle. Angle can be 45 degree, 50 degree, 90 degree. So, whatever the turn which is taking from this arm to that arm, we call it as an angle. Now, we will try to understand what is all about arm. The arm is nothing but those two straight sides are called as a arm. Here, this and this we call it as arm, which are two straight lines here. And similarly, we try to understand what is all about vertex. Vertex, by definition, vertex is a corner point of an angle is called as a vertex, which is a corner point of both arm and angle. I hope you guys got a clear idea what is all about parts of an angle and how to explain the parts of angle by making use of this maths project. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.